Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on this residential building being built in Barbican, Jamaica. Now this is going to be the tallest building in Barbican. It's 6 floors and by far it's the tallest building. Now there was some talk once about building a 6-story hotel in Barbican. I'm not sure whatever happened, and not sure if this building is going to be a hotel or residential apartments. But if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But I think it's going to be residential. It's going to have or it could be a hotel. I'm not sure. If anybody knows this building, it's off Barbican Drive or Barbican Road. Now, recently or a few years ago, they changed the per acre rooms allowed in Barbican from 50 to 100. So basically, for every acre of land in Barbican, you can build 100 rooms. So a new development order has been approved to increase the number of rooms per acre in Barbican, Kingston 6 by 100%. So the rooms will go from 50 rooms per acre to 100 rooms per acre. Now this is why you have so many developments going on in Barbican. On Birdsucker Drive you have another development which is 3 stories high, and on Salisbury you have like 100 developments being done. Okay, it's not 100, it's more like 9, but guys, you can check out those videos, and it's because you can now build more rooms per acre. Now the habitable rooms, I think, is what they go by. But this building is coming along very nicely, and I'm not sure if this is the hotel they were talking about, the 6-story hotel to be built in Barbican. So if anybody knows, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. However, this will be the tallest building in Barbican. Even the apartments being built on Salisbury, there are 3 stories. This is the tallest building in Barbican. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project, and we're going to find out more details on it. But it's coming along nicely, and it should be finished very soon. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll give you updates on this building every 2 weeks as it's very close to being completed. Alright guys, have a good day. And also, if you want us to make any video of anywhere or any development, just leave a message in the comment section below. We'll be happy to do it. You see, there's no sign up giving the details of this development. That's why at first we thought it was residential, and then somebody said that they were going to build a 6-story hotel in Barbican. So if anybody knows, you can leave the comments in the section below. Alright, so this is now Barbican Road, and it was recently renovated. So it's now a 4-lane dual carriageway, very nicely done. And with all these developments going up in Barbican, this road definitely needed to be upgraded. And the upgrades don't stop here. They're going to upgrade East King's House Road and Lady Musgrave Road to a 4-lane dual carriageway like this. Now this intersection, you turn left, you go up Birdsucker Drive or Birdsucker Lane. On the right is the High-Low Supermarket, and we're going towards Barbican Square. At this intersection we're coming up to now, go straight and we stay on Barbican Road and head towards Salisbury. If we turn right here, we go on to East King's House Road. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.